Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all winter keto diet plan for weight loss. Now with the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 4 kgs in 7 days very easily. Now recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss transformations happening with keto diet plan. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with Keto Winter Diet Plan for weight loss. Now in this diet plan, I'll be giving you lots of options for vegetarians and as well as non-vegetarian options for each and every meal. So without any delay, let's get started. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll have a diuretic water which will be hot lemon water with added pinch of cinnamon powder. Now this water works amazing for your skin also, for your diuretic also, and as well as to flush all the bad toxins from your body as well. And cinnamon works as a natural fat cutter. So we'll have this early morning drink, empty stomach, or proceeding towards your breakfast. Now if you're following intermittent fasting, then you can skip breakfast and have your coffee or tea without sugar, without milk, that is black coffee or black tea. If you do have your breakfast, then you can have out of these following options. The first is, if you eat eggs or you're vegetarian, then you can definitely have 3 egg whites spinach omelette. Now spinach is very easily available in the winter season these days. It is super fresh in the market and very healthy as well. So what you can do is you can prepare spinach omelette with 3 egg whites and no yolk at all and have your omelette with tea or coffee. If not, then you can even have a vegetarian option, that is paneer bhurji or tofu bhurji with added spinach to it. Now spinach in the breakfast works wonder for your skin also, for your iron content also, and for your protein also. So it is very important to have spinach in the breakfast if it's very freshly available in the season. So you can have paneer bhurji or tofu bhurji freshly prepared and you can add blanched spinach also. It tastes yummy and is very nutritious. Now proceeding towards our mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack, we'll keep it super light, that is 1 cucumber only. Along with that, you can also have a freshly brewed cup of green tea if you like something warm. At this time, you can skip it also and have 1 cucumber. This will give you good fiber also and as well as good collagen boosting properties also. Now proceeding towards your lunch, and as usual 15 minutes before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is, in 1 glass of lukewarm water, add apple cider vinegar. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar helps you detoxify yourself, lowers your blood sugar levels, and also is great for insulin sensitivity as well. Now proceeding towards your lunch. For lunch, you can have dahi tadka with any seasonal vegetable. Now dahi tadka is very easy to prepare. It is very delicious also. The recipe is in the description box below. Go check it out. It's very simple. And along with that, there are lots of seasonal vegetables available now in the market. So you can prepare palak paneer, methi matar paneer, cauliflower, that is gobi sabzi, or you can have shahi paneer or shahi tofu, or you can even prepare mushroom masala. Now you can have a combination of vegetables also. You can prepare a good stir fry of these vegetables also and have it for your lunch. If you do like having keto roti or keto flour roti, then you can even prepare keto roti. The recipe for keto roti is again upon my channel. It is very easy to prepare. The keto atta is very easily available in the market these days and online platforms as well. The link to buy keto flour is in the description box below. You can check it out and have that if you wish to have keto roti. Or a substitute for roti in the keto diet plans is lettuce wrap. Now all you have to do is pick fresh lettuce leaves and wrap it up with your vegetable and have it as your lettuce wrap for roti. In the lunch, make sure to have lots and lots of salad, cucumber, tomato, lettuce, onion, tomatoes, whatever is available, but make sure to have a good full bowl of it. In the non-veg, if you do like having non-veg for your lunch, then you can prepare chicken curry with dahi tadka and keto roti. 100 grams of cooked chicken is great for your protein content also and for your fiber also. If you cannot have chicken, then you can also have fish curry. Tandoori chicken with grilled vegetables is also amazing option for your winter keto lunch, as it is grilled and not fried and as well as delicious in each and every manner. With grilled vegetables, it tastes amazing. You can also have egg curry with lettuce as wrap and salad. Egg curry is definitely a best source of your protein content also, and hence you can have it for your lunch. Now proceeding towards your mid-evening snack. For mid-evening snack, you can have black tea or black coffee without any sugar, without any milk, and with 30 grams of roasted peanuts. Now you can roast the peanuts in microwave. Make sure they are not more than 30 grams, that is 1 serving. No salt, no spices over it. You can season it with oregano or black pepper powder but not salt at all. Now let's proceed towards the dinner. For dinner, I'll be giving you very easy yet warm options. Of course, winters and soup go hand in hand. So soup, for keto dinner, you can have spinach soup, tomato soup, mushroom soup. Lots of soup recipes are already up on my channel. You can check it out. The link is given in the description box below. Do follow it. It's very easy to prepare and yummy for your winter dinners. If not, then you can also have air fried broccoli, mushrooms, cauliflower, or if not air fried, then you can even have grilled or tandoori broccoli, mushrooms, cauliflower, paneer. They taste amazing for dinner and is very healthy option for low carb and good protein as well. Broccoli, mushrooms, cauliflower, they give you high amount of fiber also, so that you complete your protein intake, your fiber intake, and as well as your greens also. And before going to bed, we'll definitely have one freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea. Helps you relieve your stress for the entire day and also keeps you warm for the night as well as boosting your metabolism too. With the help of this diet plan, you can definitely lose 4 kgs in 7 days very easily if the plan is followed A to Z without any cheat. Make sure to have 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water with this diet plan, and you'll be shocked to see the results with the hydration as well. For personalized weight loss transformations, you can mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meals mentioned in the diet plan, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icons to receive all the notifications. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.